What are FlightPath Golf Tees? FlightPath Golf Tees is a type of golf tee that is designed to help golfers hit the ball straighter and farther. It features a unique design that allows golfers to adjust the height of the tee, which can help them optimize their swing and improve their performance on the course. How do FlightPath Golf Tees work? The FlightPath Golf Tees work by allowing golfers to set the height of the tee to match their swing in the club they are using. The tee has a plastic ring that can be moved up or down the shaft of the tee to adjust the height. This allows golfers to tee the ball up at the perfect height for their swing, which can help them hit the ball straighter and farther. Features and benefits of FlightPath Golf Tees. Adjustable height. The FlightPath Golf Tees allow golfers to adjust the height of the tee to match their swing in the club they are using. This can help them hit the ball straighter and farther. Durable design. FlightPath Golf Tees are made from a durable plastic material that can withstand repeated use. Consistent performance. By teeing the ball up at the same height every time, golfers can achieve more consistent results on the course. Easy to use. FlightPath Golf Tees are easy to use and can be adjusted quickly and easily. Saves money. Because FlightPath Golf Tees are durable and reusable, they can save golfers money in the long run. How to use FlightPath Golf Tees. To use FlightPath Golf Tees, simply insert the tee into the ground and adjust the height using the plastic ring. Tee the ball up at the desired height and take your swing. The tee can be reused multiple times. Pros and cons of FlightPath Golf Tees. Pros. Adjustable height allows golfers to customize their tee height for optimal performance. A durable design can save money in the long run. Consistent performance can improve a golfer's game. Cons. May not be suitable for golfers who prefer traditional tees. The adjustable height feature may take some getting used to for some golfers. FlightPath Golf Tees price and where to buy. FlightPath Golf Tees are available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee.